So a lot of people don't know this, but my wife Madison, she's a teacher. She teaches STEM at a VOTEC. I don't think they call it that anymore. And she teaches seniors. So they're always on their phones. They're always distracted. I've looked online. Some people buy the shoe holders that hang on the back of a door, and they'll have the students put their phones in there. I got on Pinterest. There's some really ugly things, so I decided to do my own thing. And if it's not broke, don't fix it. Don't reinvent the wheel. But check this out. Oh, this is a British phone booth CD holder. And there we go. So I bought it off Amazon. I'll put a link below, but look at the ring. Oh, there we go. And the idea is that you'll put your phones in there and plug them in and charge them. So I've got to modify this thing. I'm going to drill some holes. I'm going to put a power strip in it. Then I'm going to put some charging blocks in it so everybody can charge their phones while it's in storage.
Hey, Dad.
I guess super cute. Let's see. Let's get it open. Another little birthday gift. Another little birthday gift for some binge watching. This thing cost me about $100. I think it was 90 bucks. And then I spent about $60 on additional tools, things like that. So basically, we're going to put this power strip right in here like this. If you can see that, I'm going to drill a hole down there, and then I'm going to drill holes all the way up through this so you can run your power cord. And that's why I got this guy. So we'll see if we can get in there. So here comes the fun part. The part to see if I actually planned it all, but we're going to try to fit this into here and make it all work. To make it stick to the back so it doesn't keep coming apart, you have to fight with it. I got some Velcro. All this I got at the lumberyard, T.H. Rogers. It's a local lumberyard here. I'm sure you can buy it off Amazon though. So So what you want to do, is stick it together. Let's see here. Probably get away with just cutting this in half long ways. Yeah, there we go. Peel off the sticky bits. Okay. Stick the sticky bit onto it. There we go. One more. Okay. Two more. Looks good. I use the Velcro just so they can take it off and move it if they need to, or if, let's say, the power strip goes down or something, it can be replaced. Now let's wedge that guy in there really good. Okay. There it goes. So if it looks a little crooked, it's because the suitcase it's sitting on is very old. Alright guys, let's test it out. Okay guys, let's test it out. Run a few through and see if it works. Okay. Okay, magic moment. Oh, there we go. The cords I ordered are not this long. And I ordered 6 of them, the power strip, so they'll fit in nice and snug. It'll be all taped up and it'll look real nice. But there it is, guys. Not everything I do is gardening. I also do a lot of DIY stuff. So check out this video like right here, and that will show you the Lego board that we made. If you made it this far, thank you. Please give us a little like and a subscribe because it really helps my channel out. We're at 299 subs right now, almost at 300. You could be the one.